Hey there, welcome. My name is Do with Do Dodson Designs, and I know why you're here. You're here because of wood filler, right? You probably got a piece of furniture and you got questions on how to fill it and how to paint over it. And I'm here today to share with you one of my favorite products, and we're gonna get started. But before we do, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and go down and hit the little bell button so that you'll get notified every time that I release another video. It may be about painting, it may be about repairing furniture, but it also might be a little bit about furniture painting business. Yes, I also teach furniture painting business. Hang tight, let me get my supplies together. So today I'm going to show you how you can use mud to repair your furniture. No, not the mud outside or the mud cakes that you played with as a little girl. We're talking about Dixie Belle mud. Dixie Belle mud is a great wood filler, and it fills holes and gouges, and it's super durable. It comes in white, it comes in brown, and it comes in black, so you can choose the color that you want. The reason I'm using white today is because I'm going to be painting over these cute little, these are separated, it was like a desk, and they were both together, and it had the little piece in between. You ever seen those? So we took them and cut them apart, but when we cut them apart to make them separate to use as nightstands, we're gonna have to do a little bit of repair here because there's a little bit of damage. So I like Dixie Belle mud because it is super easy to work with. Yes, you can use Bondo, you can use all the different wood fillers out there, but this is just such a simple project, and it's not something that's high traffic. It's not gonna have to be super durable, although it is. It dries super hard, but it's just so easy to work with. So let me show you. I'm gonna take the lid off, and it's super easy. It comes in like a white, it almost looks like marshmallow fluff. That's exactly what it feels like, marshmallow fluff. Have you ever had that, bought that in the store? I love that stuff, by the way. So you take it with your little trowel or your little spatula that they come with, and you take it and you just wipe over the areas that actually need to be covered. And it could be a pretty good gouge. It doesn't matter. I mean, you could just fill that sucker up. Here's some more here. These have got some pretty good gouges in here. I'm just gonna kind of smash that in there. That's a real technical term, isn't it? Smash. I'm just gonna smash it in there and then pull it down. It's okay to leave it a little raised above the surface, and actually you want to do that because when it dries, you're going to go back with a sandpaper and you're going to sand it off. Now, no, you're not going to need an electric rotary sander or anything like that. You can sand it off with a 220 grit paper just by hand. It's that easy to sand down. It's super easy and quick. You just need to be sure that you apply enough to cover or smash it into those gouges. And then you let it dry. Once it's dry, you're gonna come back and you're gonna sand it. So let's give it we're just gonna give it a bit to dry. It's probably gonna take maybe an hour or two, just depending on how much you put on it. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how you can sand this off and make it ready for paint. Okay, so this is taken, I let it set for about 2 hours. It feels dry to the touch. It's not cool. It's ready for sanding. I take a 220 grit sandpaper and just lightly sand over it, but because I use a rotary sander most of the time, I try to use what I have on hand. So I just pull these off and use these, and they're super easy. You just take it and you rub over just gently, and you'll see that it comes off super easy. It's like a powdery. So it's super easy to sand down. It's not hard at all. Just go over your piece. If you wanted to use your rotary sander, you absolutely can. It's totally up to you. It just depends on how much you have that you want to sand. And here's the mud after it's sanded. You can see that it sands down super smooth. And it's ready for paint. And these little babies are ready to go. They are ready to paint, dried, sanded, good to go. So, thanks for joining me today. If you would like to know more about furniture painting and tips, please join me in a private subscription group called The Art of Furniture Painter. I have a whole video tutorial of all kind of tips and tricks that I share with everybody. And if you want to know more about painting furniture business, I'm going to drop a couple of links below. Click on those and go and read, and also check out all the cool Dixie Belle products that are perfect for creating beautiful furniture. All the links are down below. See you in the next video.